Alright, welcome to the third video of the CTERA C200 setup video series. What we're going to do today is we're going to install the agent and get connected to our local device here. So I'm going to go to the My Computers area. I'm going to download the agent. For my case it is Windows, and the current version is 6.0.185 and fairly lightweight. Not a agent that's going to interrupt your normal work or anything. I'm going to go with standard installation. Read everything, very important to read everything. And there we are. Looks good, looks good. And now it's being installed. So once we're connected here, we're going to log in and connect the agent to the appliance here shortly. You'll see all the computers that are connected to your device in this My Computers area. So that's a handy way to see, throughout the office, throughout the network, whatever you're working with, who's backed up, what their current status is, when they last backed up, if there are any errors, all that kind of information. So it becomes a nice handy dashboard area to view what is going on. And then let's see, looks like it is done. Wonderful. So while we're waiting for this agent to get going, there it is. You're gonna notice that one thing we need here, you can just click advanced, see what pops up. Oh, nope, we don't need proxy. Is that we're going to need a user and a password. So we don't have that created yet. We do have the admin, but I want to leave that user as an admin. So I'm going to go back to the configuration area. I'm going to go to users, and here are my local users. And I'm just going to do Aaron. And there we go. Don't need any of that. All that's optional. And now we have a new user. So this is going to be specifically for my PC. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to that agent area. And it's going to ask for the username. So username Aaron, password right there. Let's see if it gets connected. All right, and it's doing some file level backup right as we get going here. It's kind of scanning my computer, seeing what there is to back up, if there is anything, if there are any changes, anything like that from the default settings. Also, you will see right here, now we see my computer named Office Desktop. It's added on this dashboard screen. Here it is doing some work. Here's the restore area. No snapshots yet or anything, so you're not going to restore from there. Here's some settings. You can override these. You can make sure it's using SSL. You can allow or not allow users to configure the agent. So you could have this deployed and then say, you know what, I don't want users messing with anything here. See the log area. Here's file level backup. You can change the settings. You can do selected files only. You can select applications to back up. So on this computer I have SQL Server 2016 installed right now. And so it's saying, hey, you can back up this application. Also, if I wanted to start backup myself instead of waiting for the schedule, I can just start doing a backup there. And then for selected files here, I could go, you know what, I want the whole C drive. It's a very important drive. Give it, back up everything there. And then here, of course, is the schedule. You can do it manually only, periodically, or at specific time. And then here are the increments you can choose there. And then disk level backup is if you want a bare metal backup here. So this isn't this isn't going to go by default, but you can enable this level backup if that's what you are looking for. And then here are some desktop settings just for notifications and for some of the settings when you're selecting files to back up. If you want to see the icon that shows that it's getting backed up or that it's going to get backed up, seeing that visually sometimes is helpful. So there we go. This thing's cranking away. So yeah, we're just going to let that keep running and let it back up. But there we go. So we created a new user, we installed the CTERA agent, and we got my backups going. So again, this is to the local device. This is not to the cloud. So once it gets to the local device, you can start messing with options such as backing up the device to the cloud. And so you can have up to 20 desktop workstations backing up to the device, the C200, and then it can back up all of that to the cloud. So you have a few different options of what you can do there. You can have them backed up in multiple places. So pretty neat device. So we will let that keep going and show you some more new features tomorrow. Thank you.